हाँ जी हेलो बेटा happiest 40th birthday वाहिगुरु जी always bless you and you should remain happy and cheerful all the time so beta you have always made us proud because you are always a shining and a shining star as well as so kind-hearted and lovable child. You looked after everyone. You you took care of everybody. So
Sincerely.
We were always proud of you. I remember one incident of your childhood when you were in 5th grade. At that time, bete, you were in your in your chorus team in the school. So you used to sing Christian hymns and ਮੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ Song ਗਾਉਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਬੇਟੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਧਰਮ ਸਿੱਖੀਜ਼ਮ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਖੀਜ਼ਮ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਮੰਨਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਮਮਾ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੂਜੇ ਧਰਮ ਵੀ ਅੱਛੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਬਾਬਾ ਜੀ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਗਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਲੰਬੇ ਵਾਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਣ ਸੋ ਬਾਬਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਨੇ ਲੰਬੇ ਵਾਲ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਤੇਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਇੰਨੇ ਲੰਬੇ ਵਾਲ ਨੇ ਸੋ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੰਭਾਲਣ ਦੀ ਸਮਰੱਥਾ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਤੇ ਯੂ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਰਿਮੇਨ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਹੈਪੀ ਐਂਡ ਬੀ ਚੇਅਰਫੁਲ ਇਨ ਯੋਰ ਲਾਈਫ and we are so proud of you.
All the best.
God bless you. All the best.
Thank you.
Happy 40th birthday. Wish you all the best, bache. So nice of you. It is a very important day for you and for us all. And we are happy that you are celebrating in this manner, which is a rare and is the best way you can reciprocate with your everything.
कोई इंसिडेंट बोलो
There are so many incidents we remember, but the biggest is that you are happy and you are doing very fine, you are doing very well with the job as well as maintaining your relations, being social, and you are, I think, the best credential which you possess is that you are keeping your in-laws, your family, your husband, your children, all happy. That is a big achievement for us and we are satisfied. And your mother will tell you about you.
My sister, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday, a landmark in your life. And I really wish you all the best for the upcoming years. You know, may God give you everything your heart desires, my sweet sister. Har maidan fateh karo, you know, get anything and everything you want to achieve in your life, in family or in professional life, whatever your heart desires. I really wish you all the best. One message I would like to give you on this 40th birthday, which you will remember pretty much your lifetime, is you know how we all want organic foods. Why we want organic foods is because there is no adulteration, and I really want you to be organic. You don't have to be influenced by anybody. You know who you are as an individual. I really want you to stay organic. There should not be any basically you should be filterless, I would say. Whatever is in your mind is in your heart that makes you that special person. And we all love you and you love everybody. You have a great heart, my sister. So with those words, like I said, karo har maidan fateh, and you know, wish you all the best. I'm sure Jeeja Ji has a lot to surprise you on this special day of yours, and he requested us and everybody to make these videos and share it with you so you can feel special on this special day. Again, we love you and we care for you. We will always be there for you. Happy 40th birthday, my sister. Love you a lot. Take care. Bye.
Dear Bliss, wishing you happy 40th birthday and many happy returns of the day. On this special occasion, I hope that it is filled with lots of love and joy. I hope that this year and the years to come brings you good health every day and major amount of love. May your life bring you never-ending blessings purely because you are a wonderful, caring, and loving person. When I think of you not only as my stunning sister-in-law, but my second real sister and my best friend. Turning 40, you come so far with your astounding achievements, and I know that there are more goals you will achieve in. I am telling you that I'm proud of you and I will forever be so. My dear, when tough situations happen, I know you will get through them. You're strong, and with your head held high, I know that you will achieve and attain what your heart desires. You're still in your youth. Live your life to the fullest. This birthday is different, but it will be one to remember always. I love you. We all love you. Wishing you a lot of happiness and blessing. Once again, happy birthday and many happy returns of the day, sweetie. Missing you, Bliss, a lot. Take care. Love you. I hope you have the best birthday ever. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. I hope this day is filled with fun and smiles and absolute joy. I'm sure it will come. There's a lot of things I would like to say to you, but I'm sure fellow family members have already taken majority of my words out of my mouth. First off, I would like to thank you for all the great things you've done for this family, for me, for Mom, for Dad, for Saj, and for everyone else. Thank you so much for everything you've done. The second thing I would like to say is that you are very inspiring, and you inspire me to do a lot of great things in life. I also want to aspire to be like you someday, and I know all the kids in our family look up to you. And I would just like to wish you one more time, happy birthday, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day today. We love you. See you sometime soon, and stay safe and healthy.
I hope you have a great day today. You're super amazing. I couldn't ask for a better blow. Love you and happy birthday again.
Wishing our dearest Jasmeet a very, very happy birthday. God bless you, sweetheart. God bless you with the best of everything always, because you deserve nothing but the best. And here all of us, including a ranger, singing a happy birthday song for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jasmeet Mami Ji. Happy birthday to you. Sweetheart, you are the backbone of our family. You are the reason for all the smiles. May God bless you with the best of everything always, because you deserve nothing but the best. You are the beautiful bond which binds us all together. You are our princess, our world. Our world is happier just because you are in it. And wishing you the best of everything always. May all your dreams come true. May you achieve tons and tons of success, good health, happiness, and keep smiling. We want to see that beautiful smile on your gorgeous face forever. In your happiness lies ours. God bless you. Mayor Suki, anything you'd like to say?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jasmeet Mami Ji.
We all love you. Bye. Have fun.
Bliss, happy birthday. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਕਰੇ ਲੰਬੀਆਂ ਲੰਬੀਆਂ ਉਮਰਾਂ ਹੋਣ, ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ 'ਚ ਰਹੋ, ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਮਿਲਣ, ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਮਿਲੀਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਮਿਲਣ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰੱਖੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ।
ਹੈਲੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਹੈਪੀ 40th ਬਰਥਡੇ ਹੈ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ, ਹੋਰ ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਹੋਣ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਬਾਕੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਦੋਂ ਛੋਟੇ ਹੁੰਦਿਆਂ ਨਾਨਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਯਾਦ ਕਰੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਬੋਲੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਸੀ
ਯਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ
ਛੜੇ ਨੇ ਹੋਰ
ਜਰਨੈਲ ਚਾਚਾ ਜੀ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਰੀਸਾਂ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਰਸਵਤੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰੀਸਾਂ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਰ। ਬੜੀ ਪਿਆਰੀਆਂ ਪਿਆਰੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਪਲੇਸ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਹੈ?
ਸੋਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ
ਬਰਥਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਵੀ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। WhatsApp ਤੇ ਫੋਨ ਕਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ 'ਚ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਰ ਠੀਕ ਆ। ਹੋਰ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੁੱਟ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਕੂਟਰ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੱਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੁੱਟ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਸਕੂਟਰ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਭ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਵਾਂਸ ਅਗੇਨ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ 'ਚ ਰਹੋ, ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਰਹੋ ਔਰ ਸੁੱਖ ਰੱਖੇ। ਓਕੇ ਬਾਏ।
ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਪਲੀਜ਼। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੰਬੀਆਂ ਉਮਰਾਂ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ, ਚੰਗੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ। ਕਦੀ ਕਦੀ ਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼। ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਕਰ, ਇਨ ਟੱਚ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਓਕੇ
ਬਾਏ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੋਲੋ
ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ
ਮਾਸੀ ਬਲਿਸ ਮਾਸੀ
ਬਲਿਸ ਮਾਸੀ ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ।
Happy birthday, Bliss Didi. God bless you. Bye bye.
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਹਰਸ਼ਾਨ ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ?
ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bliss Didi. Happy birthday to you. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦਿਓ ਆਪਣਾ। ਮੈਂ ਬਣ ਦੂਜੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਟ੍ਰੇਸੀ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਓਕੇ ਬਲਿਸ ਦੀਦੀ, ਛੇਤੀ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ, ਛੇਤੀ ਆਇਓ ਇੰਡੀਆ। ਆਪਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੇ ਹੋਏ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੇਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇੰਜੋਏ योर डे, हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर अहेड। बाय बाय।
God bless you.
ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਪਲੀਜ਼, ਸਟੇ ਬਲੈਸਡ।
ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਬੇਟੇ, ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਉਮਰਾਂ ਹੋਣ, ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਕਰੋ, ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ 'ਚ ਰਹੋ।
ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਬਲਿਸ, ਸਟੇ ਬਲੈਸਡ।
Happy birthday. Great day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे ब्लिस दीदी, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, लव यू।
एक दाते कटे थारी जी सब तेरे चोज जडाना तू आपे तोता आपे भोता जी हम तुझ बिन अवर ना जाना तू पार हम दे अंत जी तेरे प्यार न आप वखाना जो सेव
हेलो ब्लेस, गुरु रामदास जी की नगरी तो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਬਲੇਸਿੰਗਸ ਭੇਜ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। बहुत बहुत बर्थडे ਦੀਆਂ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ, हैप्पी बर्थडे और बाबा जी ਕਰਨ बहुत ही ਵਧੀਆ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਾਲ ਹੋਵੇ। बहुत ही अच्छियां ਮੈਮਰੀਜ਼ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਬਚਪਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ और ऐसी जगह ਦੀਆਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੈਮਰੀਜ਼ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ। ਬਾਬਾ ਜੀ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਸਾਲ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਪ੍ਰੇਅਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਬਾਬਾ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੇਣਗੇ। ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਅਗੇਨ, ਸਟੇ ਬਲੈਸਡ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਬਲਿਸ ਦੀਦੀ ਦਾ 40ਵਾਂ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਿਵ ਜੀਜੂ ਨੇ ਬੜੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਕੀਮ ਸੋਚੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਨੋਨ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਵਾਈਏ ਤੇ ਵੈਲ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ ਭੇਜੀਏ। ਬਲਿਸ ਦੀਦੀ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ। ਰੱਬ ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਦੇਵੇ, ਹੋਰ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਦੇਵੇ। ਆਲ ਦ ਬੈਸਟ, ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ। ਤੇ ਸ਼ਿਵ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਵਧੀਆ ਜੇ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਇਨਸੀਡੈਂਟ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਣੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਵਾਟ ਐਵਰ ਫਨੀ ਔਰ ਗੁੱਡ ਯਾਦ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੀ ਇੱਕ ਬੜੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਪਰਿਕਰਮਾ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬੈਠਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਫੋਟੋ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ। ਮੈਂ 2 ਜੁੰਡੀਆਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ 2 ਗੁੱਤਾਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ। ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵਨ ਆਫ ਦੀ ਕਿਊਟੈਸਟ ਮੈਮਰੀ ਦੈਟ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਬੜੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਫਨੀ ਇਨਸੀਡੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਸੀ, ਗੌਰਵੀਰ ਜੀ, ਮੈਂ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਛੁੱਟੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਰਹਿਣ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਬੜਾ ਫਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ। ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਯਾਦਾਂ। ਸੋ ਟੂ ਸਮਰਾਈਜ਼ ਇਟ ਆਲ, ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ। 40ਵਾਂ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਹੋਵੇ, ਹੋਰ ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਕਰੋ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਮਿਹਰ ਕਰੇ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ, ਬਾਏ।
Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. And may the next 40, 50, 60 years you have all the happiness, good health and prosperity. Two things I want to say. First, you are the most luckiest persons to have such a loving and caring husband. And yeah, because the way Shivi Jiju followed up with us was actually very difficult, and I'm really sorry, Shivi Jiju, for giving you all the trouble. Second thing, having such a bright sibling around you was always a pressure for me, but again, that was the biggest motivation for me to pursue doctorate, and you have inspired me a lot. Thank you so much for being there. I just wish that we could meet soon. I'm just hoping to see you soon. Love you so much. God bless you.
Hi Jasmeet, how are you? First of all, I would like to say thanks to Shivinder for making me a part of her 40th celebrations. Well, I know her since childhood, and she's an adorable darling. We've spent so much time together, we played together, we learned how to play cricket together, we learned how to do cycling together, and so I remember there were quite memorable and funny incidents that we've shared together. That was one day I remember that we both were, we used to cycle together to school. So we were on the way back to home, and it had just rained. So we could see a rainbow in the sky. So we were actually trying to locate the rainbow. And we were so much, we were so much focused on the rainbow that we forgot that we are actually riding a bicycle. So the handles of the cycle, they got entangled together, and we both landed on the road. So that was an incident I still remember. We used to sleep, go to each other's place for a sleepover. We, read so many books together. We used to listen to English music. I still remember, Richard Marx ballads, and then we used to listen to this Enigma. We used to dance together. So I have shared quite a significant time of my life with her, and trust me, she's such a friend that on whom I could rely at any point in my life, and she's still the same, and I wish her all the best. Wish you all the love, all the happiness, all the success in life. Jasmeet, love you. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Jasmeet. Yaar, it's been a long time. Kado chote chote hunde sige yaar, in the school we used to have so much fun, and always your long kareles. Inne lambe baad mujhe aaj tak samajh nahi aaya tuse kis tarah se maintain. You still have that, but really yaar, when I saw you over here in Canada, it was amazing to see you over here. पुरानी गल्ला पुरानी दोस्ती दोबारा याद आ गई. So really wish कि इसे दोबारा meet up कर सकिए, and COVID तो चीज़ खत्म हो गई, so at least we can travel to US as well, and have a blessed and prosperous time, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a great day. Mwah.
Happy 40th, Jasmeet. Happy birthday. I'm sure you're pretty surprised seeing my message. But I wanted to wish you, when she asked me to make something for you, I started remembering some beautiful memories that we have. I remember you were my first friend in college. I saw you the first in the hostel room when I entered. You were sitting there with your mom, and I felt that your mom was extremely beautiful. I think I told you that as well. And when I remember those initial days in textiles and the fun that we had, the ragging. We were so afraid to even go that a few hundred meters to our department, but I mean it was extremely fun. Now that I think back, I feel that you were one of the most understanding and giving friends, and you are that sort of a person. You're a giving person. You're a brilliant human being and a very kind and affectionate soul. So. Not taking too much of your time, just enjoy yourself, rock the 40s like you have done with all the other years. Enjoy with your family, with your children, have lots of fun. Take care, bye-bye.
I wish you a very, very happy birthday, Jasmeet. सदा खुश रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, लाइफ का मज़ा लेंदे रहो। ओके, मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ और मास्क जिहड़ा उन्होंने नीचे किया है फिलहाल तेनों विश करने लई। बट ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ याद रहेगा कि यह बर्थडे जिहड़ा सीगा कोविड वाले साल च आया है। होपफुली नेक्स्ट ईयर देयर इज़ नो मास्क, वी आर लिविंग अ लाइफ फ्री ऑफ कोविड and enjoying, and I hope I come over there and wish you in person। एक चीज़ जिहदे लई मैं हमेशा तेनों याद करदी हाँ, वेरी वेरी टचिंग टू माई हार्ट। कॉलेज जो मैं ऑब्जर्व किया और बाद विच भी चंडीगढ़ से, यू आर वेरी वेरी डिसिप्लिनड अबाउट योर प्रेयर्स एंड यू हैव अ वेरी 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 स्ट्रॉन्ग फेथ in God. This is something I always remember and I always cherish it, and I always reflect, okay, just like this, be faithful, pray, and I will always get what I want. So thanks for that teaching. I miss you. I hope to see you again very soon. Take care, love you, and give my love to your kids also. Wish you all very best. सदा खुश रहो। बाय।
Hey Jassu, a very very happy birthday. I know you just turned 16, so congratulations and enjoy your day. You've been a really good friend for quite a long time. It's been, I think, almost 18 years. 2002. God, it's a long time. Hard to even think. Become so old now. Can't leave that apart. But yes, always considered you a very genuine person. Actually, very person who talks through the heart. Like for you, as I've known you for so long, just be you the way you are. The person you are. It's like जब भी मैं तुझसे बात करती हूँ, I just connect with you because for you, I feel values matter a lot, and you are a person full of love and compassion and trying to help and give, so just don't change anything about yourself. I'm truly blessed to have a friend like you, and I really wished that it was not a COVID year and we would have met and celebrated this together, but hopefully next year definitely we'll plan a trip together. You guys come over, but we'll celebrate again, and cheers to your sweet 16th birthday. Take care.
Hi Jassu, wish you a very very happy birthday. It's such a joy to have known you as a sincere, loving and caring friend. I remember all the fun we had at IIT during our college days. I remember particularly during our third semester when you used to come to my room to wake me up in the morning so that we could have our breakfast together. I remember the way we used to play Holi and then come back to our hostel rooms and wash each other's hair, and then in the evening go out for dinner. Such lovely memories we have had in college. I also cherish the time that I'd spent with your parents in Amritsar, and also the time that I spent with your family when I visited you in Atlanta. Thank you for such lovely memories. I would like to read a verse from the Bible that's a promise from the book of Jeremiah 29:11, which says, For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future. So my prayer is that may God bless you abundantly, fulfill all the desires of your heart, and may you have may God's hedge of protection be upon you, and God bless you in every way as you have had wonderfully played the role of a mother, wife, daughter, friend, and a sincere and hardworking person in your workplace. So have a great year ahead. Once again, happy birthday. God bless you. Bye bye.
Hi Jassu, happy birthday. मेरे पास तो ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है, बट इतना मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि तुम मेरी पहली फ्रेंड थे जिससे मैं मिली थी IIT दिल्ली में, बट अभी राम तुम्हारा बहुत कुछ बोलने वाला है, बट पता नहीं, केयरफुल रहना वो क्या बोलने वाला है, सुन लो अभी।
ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ी चीज़ें हम अपने पास रखेंगे, बाकी छुपा के रखेंगे। नहीं, हैप्पी बर्थडे जसमीत। कुछ नहीं,
मैं बस याद कर रहा था, आई थिंक हम पहले जब लाइसेंस के लिए, ड्राइविंग के लिए ये कर रहे थे, प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे अटलांटा में, तो हम दोनों साथ में ही किया कर रहे थे। तुम्हारे फ्रेंड की गाड़ी में किया था हमने, और पहली बार शायद थी हमने हाईवे में गए थे उस टाइम पे, और अटलांटा का ट्रैफिक तो वैसे ही बहुत भयंकर कर रहे थे, और उसको जसमीत ड्राइव कर रही थी, मुझे इतना याद है। और उसको ना उसने बोला था कि लाइक चलो ट्रक वक ना आ जाए कुछ साथ में उसको वही डर था थोड़ा। और थोड़ा जाते ही पीछे एक ट्रक था, फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद लेफ्ट में एक आया और राइट में आया, तो लिटरली 3 ट्रक आगे पीछे, और वो फ्लोस हो गई जैसे लाइक पूरा ऐसे खड़ी है वो, लाइक स्टीयरिंग पकड़ के फाइनली चला लिया, मतलब वो प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं हुआ, चला लिया। और अभी तो मतलब अच्छा होगा। हैप्पी बर्थडे जसमीत।
Very happy 40th birthday to you, Jasmeet. I hope you're having an amazing day already. And I hope the kids and hubby have made it super special for you by the time you're watching this video. We're just so fortunate to have you as a part of our life. And we want to wish you the very best for the next beautiful decade that is starting today. So wishing you lots of love, lots of laughter, and lots of happiness. I hope the next years of your life are as beautiful as you are. So wishing you all the very best. And happy 40th again. We have a little surprise for you to make you laugh. So I hope you enjoy.
Happy birthday.